Hi everyone and welcome to another video by Paintbrush Pals. Today we're gonna draw Pusheen at a beach day. We're gonna start with the head. Draw this line going up and then down. It will be the left ear. Now let's draw the right ear. From it, draw a curved line and continue the curve by going up and then a bit down. Now this line goes down and continue it a little bit more down. It will be the tail. Now go with this line down and close the shape. Now close to the end of the tail, draw this small line and then create his leg. And above that leg we're going to draw another one because she lays on her side. From the bottom leg, continue her body. And now we're going to draw the coconut that she drinks from. So we're going to draw a semicircle and close it with a wavy line. Let's add a straw that she can drink from. And let's add an umbrella to make it much more festive. Now we can move over to her face. First we will start with the spots on her forehead. And then we'll create 2 circles for her eyes. And in between the eyes, draw the nose and mouth. Let's add her whiskers. 2 on each side will do. Beneath the whiskers, draw her leg. And let's make her holding sunglasses. So it's basically 2 semicircles with a line connecting them and then another line to close the shape. Now draw 2 spots on her back and her striped tail. I'm going to color the eyes and sunglasses in black real quick. And in the meantime, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now for the last part, we're gonna draw a towel. It's basically a rectangle that she lays on top of it. So feel free to draw it any size you like, just make sure that Pusheen is in the middle. Great work, everyone! Pusheen is now ready. All we need to do is color it. So grab your favorite colors and let's start. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, but don't go anywhere, we have more videos for you in the links here. See you soon!